Hi everyone, I am Anna. Hope you are ready for Happy Halloween. Today, our magical project is this book of spells. And I will show you another option for decorating spell book that we do last time. You can see the link. So let's get started. I bought this box in Dollar Tree. So I take the texture paste that I bought in Home Depot. Actually, it's all-purpose compound. And with a palette knife, I begin to impose a layer of paste. Well, my assistant has come again. In the case of use, we will use a comb as a tool for creating pages. I will use such an object. I have already got to use to making it. It is convenient for me. And light movements are carried out once in one place. And I take modeling clay and molds here with nice spiders. As usual, I will leave the link below. I squeeze the molding clay into the mold, and here is the print. Quite easy to take out. Very thin details are more difficult to make. I get the spider that will come in handy for project. And I glue details to the book. Okay, next stage. I take hot glue gun and begin with the light movements carried out from the center to the edges. I try not to make straight lines due to the fact that we are making a web natural creation, and in nature we rarely see straight lines. The process is very pleasant, although, as it was noticed, I no longer have a top cover. To be honest, this is my second try. The first experiment failed a little. I wanted to add spiders to the webs. I made them a hot glue gun, but it didn't work out, so I decided to make only the web with a hot glue gun. I already have spiders. Okay, the next stage, I split out paper towels. I coat the surface with glue. And began to press the napkin to the surface with light movements. At this point, the napkin becomes wet, and it's easy to get such folds. I make an imitation of the leather cover of the old book. Then I take a brush and help a little bit. Then I do the side of the book in the same way. And then back part of the book, I repeat the same way. Since the napkin is wet, it breaks off very easily. And then I glue edges. The next step is to cover everything with black paint. I paint all the details in black and then I glue it on the book. Then I take gold paint and light movements that start the magical process. I bring our spiders to life, which immediately come alive from the darkness. And I continue to revive the web with such pretty forms from the darkness. I apply gold paint slightly, semi-dry brush. Be sure to repeat this process, it's just awesome. In the same way, I begin to repeat all the movements with the skulls, adding a little more paint, and then to the imitation of the leather cover. Well, Sonia came and showed her muzzle. Next step, vintage stickers works great for this project. That I stuck them on. And I start adding these strokes with a brush of gold paint to add a little bit of an old-fashioned effect. The next step, I start painting pages in gold color. I decided to make them completely gold. Although it was possible to leave white, as you remember in old books they were gold. The next step, I start painting our pages in gold color. I decided to make them completely gold. Although it was possible to leave white, but As you remember, in old books, they were gold, so... And that's it. It's time to enjoy the results. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed, hit the like button below and subscribe.